taking this long road and learning this tech industry has not been something on my mind. My mom told me, to do it about 2 years ago, but it wasn't in me to do it. I didn't have no interest, even though I was doing a lot of, computer work. I love to design. I love to do flyers and stuff, but it wasn't clicking for me there was no excitement to go into, data analysis or any of those background. But I stumbled on Instagram and I saw this company, 10Alytics. Like, what is this? So I went online, joined their community group on WhatsApp, and the first meeting I went to, I was still contemplating. I was sold, but I was contemplating. When I reached, I told my mom, I told my husband about it, and they're like, you know what, go for it. So I researched, just trying to see which one I should, embark on, and I decided data analytics. So I just, like, my journey has just been, I've just been grateful. I've learned so much. I went from, a little knowledge of Excel to, like, I am confident in myself. So taking this data analytics class has been a game changer for me. It has helped me to build confidence with tools like Excel, SQL, like what? And Tableau, even Power BI. And now I feel that I am more equipped to make a data-driven decisions at work. So I highly recommend anyone looking to grow in this field. 10Alytics is where to go. They break it down for you. Even if you have an experience, if you have knowledge in the tech world, they start with you with a baby step. When a baby is learning to walk, that's how 10Alytics help you. They hold your hands and helps you. And the hands-on projects that we do, and every session is just beautiful. At the end of, we have assignments that we have to do, and at the end of each topics, like when we did Excel, we had programs, and at the end of it, we had a custom project, and that just brings everything back to you. Like, you pretty much doing it by yourself. Like, they give you example, they help you, but you get the drift of what you will be doing in the real world. And I'm just so grateful. So I encourage anyone that will love, to go into the tech world. 10Alytics is where to go. Ciao.